the feeling that you finally snatched that championship from Petron?
This is unreal, actually. We believed we could do it from the start, but we had a really up and down season, and this is just the cherry on top. I'm really proud of how we played.
Yes, we saw your inspired performance. So what kept you inspired the entire game you were going up against Petron?
It's been a tough rivalry with them. Like they beat us twice in regular season, and then we came out and we beat them the first game, but second game, the momentum was definitely shifted, and we said, no thank you.
We can see how tired you are right now. So now, is there anyone you'd like to greet?
Want to say hi to my family and friends. Thanks for the support. And the fans, of course. Appreciate all the support this season.
There you have it, Katie Messing. At ngayon naman, makakasama natin ang head coach ng Photon Lady Tornadoes. So, coach, anong masasabi niyo na finally, the team came together at the perfect time?
Thank you, Lord. Yun ang una-una talaga. Thank you, Lord. We've been praying for this and we've been working hard for this. And it came sa right timing talaga. Yung kung nailabas namin lahat. And yun, thank you lang talaga.
At coach, i-share niyo naman sa amin kung paano ba inakyat ng Photon itong championship, yung struggles ng team at kung paano ba talaga sila nag-come together as a team.
From the start, talaga medyo young yung team. Half of the team are new and we need every single minute sa practice at saka being together, yun yung kailangan namin binibigyan ng talagang magandang value. So, hindi naman, worth it naman yung sufferings namin, yung mga sacrifices namin.
I'm sure, coach, marami kayong gustong pasalamatan. Sino po ba sila?
Una, syempre, Lord, thank you. Binigay mo sa amin to. It's really fate that you brought us here. And thank you sa inyo. And to all the Photon family, yung Photon fans, you've been there. Ang Photon crowd, thank you very much for supporting us and believing in us. The University of Santo Tomas, maraming salamat for supporting us din. And, of course, yung mga families and friends ng mga players namin. Thank you.
There you have it, the head coach of the Photon Lady Tornadoes, Coach Villet.